In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get access to thousands of dollars to start trading as a forex trader. So if you are a forex trader, there is no excuse for you not to make money, okay? Because once you have the skill, you can get access to $5,000, $10,000, $15,000, $100,000, $200,000, up to $2 million with gold funded. All right, so you just have to pay little amount to gain access to apply. All right, so in this video I'm going to get the $50,000 account. All right, so I'm gonna make the payment, show you step by step so you guys can see exactly how it's being done. All right, so with as little as $100 you can gain access to this instant gold account. So any profit that you make, all right, through the fund, it belongs to you, okay? And you receive payout every 2 weeks. All right, every 2 weeks. So you get 80 to 90% of the profit that you make. So let's say you get $100,000 account and you made $10,000 profit, okay, in your first 2 weeks. All right, like you are going to get 80 to 90% of that what's it called, that profit you made. So that would be like $8,000 to $9,000. Okay, so if you are making $13,000 as profit every 2 weeks, so that means every 2 weeks you are guaranteed to get $8,000 to $9,000 every 2 weeks. So this is really mind-blowing. It's absolutely incredible. All right, so you can see we have different model: instant, standard, instant gold, one step. So you can go through that yourself. All right, so but I'm gonna be making use of this instant gold right now. So with this you get access to instant funds. You don't need to pass any phase 1 phase 2 challenge, all right, before the real deal. So this is the real deal. Okay, this is what the real deal. So let's start with the real deal. So we have the $5,000 account. All right, so with $75, okay, you get access to the $5,000 account, and with the coupon code, okay, it's gonna be $54 if the promo is still available. All right, and if the promo is not available, $75 is not bad to get access to $5,000. All right, so now, as I said earlier on, I'm gonna be buying the $50,000 account. This is right here. Okay, so I'm going to paste the code. Okay, so you copy and paste the code, then you click on apply. All right, it's applied already. So as you can see, instead of me paying $488 or $341, I'm going to be paying $244, okay, for this $50,000 account. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is to click on continue. All right, so now it's asking for my billing details. All right, so it's very, very important you put in your billing details. All right, I'm going to type my email address. Done. All right, so now the next thing is to click here. All right, I'm going to be using crypto, which I strongly recommend. All right, so I'll click here to pay with crypto. Then the next thing is to click here. I've read and agreed to the website terms and condition. Then I'm gonna click on place order. Place order. It's loading. It's loading. So now it has taken me to the payment page. So we have different payment gateway here: Visa, Netella, PayPal. But the one we are gonna be using is Confirmo. I'm gonna click on Confirmo. All right, so as you can see, I'm paying $244. So I'm gonna click on pay right now. Pay. It's loading. Right, so there are different crypto coins here, or cryptocurrency. So I'm gonna be selecting USDT, a stable coin. So this is it right here, Theta USD. So I recommend you select USD and select the Polygon network. I'm going to click on Polygon, and I'm going to copy the Polygon wallet address here. Copy. Then I'll go to my MEXC global account. Yeah. And make the withdrawal. Withdraw. On-chain withdrawal. So I'm going to paste the withdrawal address. Allow paste. Then network. I'm going to select Polygon. So I have to scroll down and search for Polygon. Where's Polygon? Polygon is also known as Matic. Alright, this is right here. Matic. Okay. So withdrawal quantity. So I'll type 244.7. Alright. So 244.7. So with that, you know, I'm even sending more than the required amount. Okay, so it's better to be more than for it to be less. All right, so 244.7, that is what I'm sending. Okay, then also I need to confirm the wallet address again. It ends with 5688. 5688. Make sure you copy the right wallet address and make sure you make payment to the right network. All right, so I'm going to click on confirm right now. Go to facial recognition. All right, your face scan is complete. Got it. So I'm going to click on confirm right now. Okay, so you can decide to type the remarks option. Goat funded. Yeah, confirm withdrawal. Continue. Withdrawal request submitted. So I just transferred the required amount to the wallet address given to me. Okay, so once the payment is processed and confirmed, it's going to show it here. All right, so now once you are done with that, the next thing is to make sure that you copy the code again, the link. All right, you copy this link again, copy link, and go and log in. Okay, so but don't forget, when you were about to make payment, your email address was required, which you typed in your email address, but you didn't put password. So you have to click on forgot password. Okay, so once you paste the link, this is how you get access to your account. You click on back to home. So once you click on back to home, though I've already registered since. Okay, so my MEXC withdrawal is successful. So this is the mail right here. Withdrawal time, withdrawal address, transaction ID. Okay, so the withdrawal is sent. It is confirmed. All right, so now to log in to access your account, you click these three lines here. Okay, after clicking on back to home, you click these three lines at the right top corner, the drop down menu here. Then you click on login. Click on the login button, and once you click on the login button, you click on forgot password. All right, click on forgot password. Then you enter your email address, at Gmail or whatever. Then you click on reset password. So a link will be sent to you to reset your password. So once you reset your password, you can now come back and click on login. Okay, to enter your email address and password to log in. Okay, so let's go back to the payment page. So as you can see on the payment page, it says invoice, and there's a message from Goat Funded. Welcome, Goat Funded Trader. Let's get you set up. Congratulations on joining Goat Funded Trader. We are thrilled to have you on board. Let's get you started and set you up for success. All right, so you're gonna see access your dashboard and start trading now. So you click on the access your dashboard. Okay, so I'm gonna be using Chrome. So it's loading. So once you gain access to your dashboard, all right, the next thing is for you to copy your credential. So let me quickly log in into my account now. So I just log in into my account. As you can see on the screen right here, welcome back, Sunny Victor. Number of account 2. I already got one before. That one, that's the $5,000 account. Okay, so that one has to do with me passing phase 1 challenge and phase 2 challenge. Okay, so but when I discovered this what's it called, this instant on, okay, and there is an ongoing promo, so I just decided to take advantage of it. So once you scroll down, you're going to see your credentials. You click on it, okay, to copy your credentials. So you go to MetaTrader 5. So but let me use MetaTrader 4 as an example here. You click on settings on your MetaTrader 5, okay, so you click on your, you click here, all right, at this place below settings. Once you click on it, you're going to see plus sign. Click on it, and once you click on the plus sign, then you click on login to an existing account. Then you paste the server name, all right. So once you paste the server name, you click on it, all right, you enter your login ID, so it's gonna be digits. Then you input your password and you log in. All right, so I have successfully logged in to the account on my MetaTrader 5. So this is right here. Okay, so once you are done, make sure, like, once you've made the payment and the payment is confirmed and you receive a mail from Good Funded Trader that your order is on its way, the next email, okay, you're going to get will contain your login details. All right, so the login ID, the login password, so you use it to enter your account. All right, so just follow the procedure and you have access to the funds, so you can use it to trade. Okay, so the idea is for you to get access to each capital with little amount of money. All right, so and also make sure you take note of this. You must be disciplined and you must be consistent. All right, so you'll be able to make profits regularly, constantly. All right, so that's just it, guys. So you can go back to your GoFunded account and click on view dashboard to get access to your account dashboard. All right, so here, once you start taking trades, you'll be seeing the results right here. So if there's any drawdown, if there's any profit, if there's any loss, all right, you're definitely going to see it here. All right, your trading summary and other stuff like that. So that's just it. I do really hope you found this video helpful. If so, please make sure you click on the like button, share, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. So this is how you get access to huge funds, thousands of dollars, with as little as $100, $200, $500. With $1,000, you get access to the $200,000 account. It's even less than $1,000. That's about $600 plus, right? So you get access to 200K plus account. So get started with whatever amount you can afford. All right, so make sure you trade smart, trade wisely. All right, see you guys in the next one. Until next time, peace out.